Hello guys, quick intro. So it's me Rusydi. We're gonna be reviewing the Hot Toys of Rey from the movie The Last Jedi, and Star Wars fever is hitting back with the Mandalorian. I hope you guys are enjoying it. Let's go ahead with the video. See you guys there. May the Force be with you. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the figure of Hot Toys that we're gonna be reviewing. It's gonna be Star Wars of Rey, Jedi training from the movie The Last Jedi. So this is the front view of the box, and this will be at the top. Okay, the typical Star Wars one, and surprisingly at the back you can see there's actually a picture of Daisy Ridley playing the character of Rey. Okay. Alright, so next thing is when you're unboxing this. Alright, this will be the picture that you will see. Look at that. This is actually a picture of the figure as usual. Alright, and take this off. This will be the figure that you're gonna see. Alright, we'll quickly remove the cover. Alright, so quick view after we remove the cover. So there's gonna be pork, two of them. And this will be the holding sabers right upper limb. This will be the extra wrist, the extra hand wrap, and this will be the 5 extra pairs of hand. This will be the joints, the base there, the 3 batteries, the I don't know, I just call it stick, and then the 2 lightsabers, the options, and the blaster, and also the main figure of Rey. Okay. Alright guys, so let's go to the accessory one by one. So this will be the stick, just like the one that you'll get from the earlier Hot Toys from The Force Awakens. Okay, it's gonna be the same, and same goes with this one, right? Looks lightsaber, which used for the training in the movie The Last Jedi, and also the blaster given by Han Solo, also there in the initial set for The Force Awakens. So this will be the hand holding the blaster. Oh, sorry. Alright, so just hook it there, and this will be the more natural position of hands options, and this will be one part of the wrapping over the upper limb, and this is the usual right upper limb holding saber powered by LED. I did not install the batteries yet. Alright, and special from the movie, the porks. Alright, the detailing there. So if you guys like this character, maybe you can get it here. Alright, and this will be the base, with the option of the other one is the color from the final battle in the movie. I'll show you later. And the nameplate from the character Star Wars Rey there, very nicely done. Alright, and here's the main figure itself. So I'll just show you a bit after this. Alright, so overall, as compared to the Force Awakens, this one actually has less accessories, but this is the main thing actually. For the Force Awakens, you are not equipped with LED based lightsaber holding hand. So this one, if you want to light up the lightsaber to make more effect of it, glow in the dark maybe, so this is actually a better figure to collect compared to the other one. Right, this is already equipped with the 3 batteries, so you can turn on the saber. You can see the effects there, the LED so strong. Alright, so when you put in the saber there, this is how it's gonna look. Bzzz. Yeah. Okay guys, so this is the initial base for this figure. You can see the white and red colored one, typical for the Hot Toys of this movie version from The Last Jedi. Rey's face there, the Millennium Falcon, also the Resistance logo, and this is the option for you to just put it there. It just gives the environment of, I think, the place where Rey has been training with Luke. It's time to focus on the main figure of Rey from this movie. So if you notice from the earlier vision and also the latest one, which is the Rise of Skywalker, she's actually wearing the bright color one. Only in this version she's wearing a black clothes. Alright, and she has a long hair, you can notice that, and it actually gives a bit of restriction for the movement of the head, but overall it's very nice. Okay, so you can just show you the detailing of the hair. Let's look at that. Right, it's very nicely done, and texture, the types of material used to make her clothes is very well done, very well picked by Hot Toys. And this is gonna be the place where you can actually slice in the plaster there. And the best part is you can see that the extra fold over the knee part, which makes you be able to flex the knee without any restriction, even though she's wearing a tie pant. Okay, and you can see the finishing of the boot there. It's actually very well done as well. Look at the ropes, the tie at the back. Okay, and this is the fold over the knee parts, as I mentioned earlier. To just give you that extra room for motion there. Alright guys, so this is a simple video of this figure. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. If you have any suggestion, you can just write down the comment below, and do subscribe and like the video, and may the force be with you. This is the way. Goodbye.